A Great Day by Mariane Nevik. Yesterday I went to the dancing club. I took my dancing suit and trainers. On the way to the dancing club, I saw a big, scary dog. Birds flew in the sky. At the club, I saw my friend and told her, "Hi, what's up?" She was happy to see me. Then we danced. It was fun. One girl had a birthday. She brought a cake. We ate the cake and drank tea. The cake was very tasty. After dancing, I found 1,000 in the street. I bought flowers and sent them to my mom. Then I went to school and my mom was very happy.